back with breaking updates coming in, viewers. Kerala Story 2's fate will be sealed today. The Kerala High Court Division Bench verdict is likely today. And this is just a day before its scheduled release. There has been a big setback for the makers of the film Kerala Story 2, with the Kerala High Court stalling the release of the film and also making it clear that the movie cannot be released for the next 15 days. The censor board will now have to consider the objections that have been raised by the petitioner. My colleague Arpita is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Arpita, take us through what happened in the High Court and what's expected today.
Well, Pratibha, yesterday the single bench judge was hearing the matter and they stayed the order. They asked the producers to not release the movie today because they wanted few clarification from CBFC. In fact, they had asked CBFC that why they have given UA certification and not A certification, and also the fact that the teaser is misleading, which the petitioners are claiming. The teaser is instigating violence and also putting Kerala bad light. All of that, the High Court asked the CBFC that did they not watch the teaser and what was their opinion. And the CBFC had said that teaser is not something that they will look into. It is the movie that they are responsible for. So all of these arguments, after that, the single bench judge had stayed the order and said that CBFC should file a reply within 2 weeks. But later, the producers appealed to division bench, and yesterday at 7:30 p.m. there was an urgent hearing where division bench judges heard the matter. The hearing went on for 2 long hours. In spite of that, later the judge said that today is when they will pass the order. So we need to wait and watch what happens. The producers yesterday, while the division bench was hearing the matter, said that CBFC is a responsible body and it has given a detailed affidavit. So they should stay single bench's order is what producers council has been claiming. But we need to wait and watch what happens today if the movie will be released later or not.
Okay, all right. Do stay with us. In fact, the court also said that while it usually hesitates to interfere with the release of films, it had to step in because of the alleged content of the film that could have genuine potential of inciting communal disharmony. Let's take a look at what the High Court has actually said. The court has taken note of the objections against it, saying that there is no application of mind by the CBFC while granting approval for the film. The court, in fact, also went on to say that the producer was not keen that the court should watch the film. Because remember, the court had also asked for a screening of the movie before deciding. But the court then going on to say that the producer was not very keen on the screening for the court. Now, the film may create discord. The court very clearly saying that there is a likelihood that it could disturb law and order, and that freedom of speech cannot be invoked if it undermines social harmony. In fact, the court had also taken a strong note of the movie and the entire trailer, going on to say that artistic freedom cannot be stretched to damage the reputation of a state and its people. You'll also remember that in the court, the makers had gone on to say that this was not specific to Kerala, but there were instances taken from across the country. But the court saying that you're projecting Kerala in a poor light outside the state and has put a stop on the release for 15 days. So the legal tussle over Kerala Story 2 triggering after the trailer dropped right in the middle of the election season. It spoke of India becoming an Islamic republic by 2047 and also showed Hindu girls being forced to eat beef after their marriage to Muslim men. So the Kerala Chief Minister has also spoken up on the issue. Remember, there are multiple political reactions as well. The Kerala Chief Minister going on to say that this is a film that brings hate. It's a hate-mongering film. The left, in fact, also organized beef festivals in the state to make their point. And in response, the producer, Vipul Shah, held an elaborate press conference, also parading multiple victims. He claimed that they were victims of love jihad and said that there was an attempt that was made from his side to raise awareness about the evil facing young Hindu girls. Then the matter reached the court as well. And in court is where the Kerala High Court also stepped in and said that, yes, it does have certain scenes that show Kerala in bad light.